What's up, Minitruck? Guess what we got? 250-pound springs. Guy's pretty knowledgeable. Let's see what kind of job this is. Shouldn't be too bad. Famous last words, right? Let's see what the height is before I put the springs. As you can see now, the front does sag a little bit. I think it's going to level off pretty good. I've heard that the 250-pound springs will actually lift the front about 1.5 inches more. Let's see. So with these tires, it's 10 inches to the bottom of the front differential. Looks like about 26 3/4, just shy.
Just to be clear, this is not the top of the strut. This is a 2-inch lift kit with adjustable camber.
Motherfucker. It's not a good idea to use an impact, really, to tighten the spring compressor. Sure, many of you are going to make comments. The springs have a lot of pressure. I don't know how many pounds these are compared to the new ones.
Bye-bye, we'll be back tonight.
Alright, see ya. The strut might be leaking a bit. No, actually, it still has a little left. I don't know about this dust boot. That might not end up on the new one. This is always easier with 2 people. Height-wise, they're pretty identical. Definitely has more coils. And make sure that pulls up into here when you get that going. No dust boot. Anybody put a 3-inch lift on their stuff, if they didn't drop that front, definitely going to be trouble in their future. Well, there's one. There's one argument for not putting a dust boot, and that is that you could see the shit that gets up in there and clean it. So if you take care of your shit, you don't need a dust boot. That's right. I still got some brake pad left. Well, that's one side. How'd that take? About 45 minutes. Can't wait to see if I can get them seat covers to work. Wow, falls right out. What? I guess this side did go in a little easier than the other side. Leave this as a pivot. Yeah, it might make it a little easier actually. Yeah. Why not? It's my helping hand. It's not stressing my hose or anything, so it's not going to collapse it or break it. Get away with that if you know what you're doing. That's all I'm saying. Man, this one feels pretty good too. You see that has a flat. That has a flat. I don't know if I showed you in the last one. And you see the spot where the spring's supposed to sit on the bottom. That's right. Not yet. I might be able to grab it. Line up the groove. Sometimes you gotta do it by hand. Looks good. Minitruck. It's gonna be tough. Make sure this shield isn't bent into that. I guess I gotta get different lug nuts if I use them alloy rims, because these are too fat. Gotta get the alloy lug nuts. There you go, Minitruck. A lot of creaking rubber on these. Pretty tight though. Wow. It definitely went up. And it definitely looks like it leveled the truck. Much better. Definitely got to do those springs. So now we are just shy of 27.5. And it looks like about 10 5/8 clearance. Yeah, Minitruck, go for a ride. I don't know what kind of choke system this has, but it's pretty good. Huh. I'll bet you I could drive on that pond. It's been so cold. Do I dare? How about if I back onto it? Yeah, I don't like that noise. I don't know if I broke it or not. I don't know if I did or not, but I'm not going to play. Diff lock definitely helps. Ooh, that's narrow. Definitely better. Hasn't bottomed out. No problem at all. None. This thing is like so much more sure-footed than I would even imagine. Oh, bottomed out. So it will still bottom out. I mean, you can't drive like an idiot. Nice having the extra clearance though. Yeah, Minitruck. That wasn't too bad of a job. One side took me about 45 minutes, the other side took me probably 30 minutes. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Want to see what a 6'4" guy looks like in there? How tall are you?
6'4".
6'4". Oh shit, yeah.
Well, be like, oh, we're turning left again.
Can you do the clutch and stuff though? Like if you had to?
Oh, if I had to. Oh, it looks like I'm in like outside of a store, one of those like helicopters.
Yeah.
Oh, I'd have to wear my sneakers, I think.
So like,
Except the clutch
you
and stuff.
could do it if you had to, but it would be like, you got headroom now.
Yeah, I got plenty of headroom.
Yeah.
It would be tight.
Your head, though.
6'4".
Damn. Oh yeah. Never did do a LED night light show. So these are the headlights. Low beam, high beam. There they are. The lower lights fill it in a little bit. I think what I need is a little light bar on that bottom instead of them two little round ones. I need a light bar that'll fit. It's pretty bright though. Oh man. They'll definitely see me coming. Yo yeah. Once you get used to these LEDs, man, here. LEDs, regular lights.